इनको क्या मच्छी खिला रहे आप?
मच्छी चिकन दोनों खिला।
आदमी का क्या भीख मांग के खा लेगा ये लोग क्या करेंगे? ये बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। कितनी बिल्ली है? कितनी बिल्ली है? हाँ 20? This man at Mahim Causeway is feeding the cats. रोज खिलाते हैं आप? शाम को? सुबह शाम दोनों? He feeds them morning and evening during the lockdown and this accursed pandemic. It's a very good, noble thing he is doing. Really, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप. I've reached Mahim. I'm walking from Bandra to Mahim. I'm going to Dargah Fakhruddin Shah Baba. And people that feed pigeons will never feed the poor. This is my observation ever since I started shooting. People that feed dogs, cats, I don't belittle them, but they will never feed the poor. I don't know why. I have seen all this at Gateway of India, where I was staying in my young days. Then I saw it Bandra, Talao, many other places. These are pigeons enjoying Mahim. So this is life, the lockdown, the pandemic, and hunger, loneliness. But the poor, it's a tough call for them.
कागज में रहने उसको
बांग्लादेश के तुम लोग ना।
This is iftar time at Mahim, and all these brothers, they get together, they feed the poor, and they are doing a lot of noble work. And now, today is the 22nd Roza, I think. 22nd. Yesterday was 21st Ramadan.
22nd.
Yeah. So they are now breaking the fast. Sadly, I am not fasting because of my insulin dependence.
अरे वो मत ले।
आ भाई कौन है? आ जाओ सब आ जाओ भाई। आओ इधर आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ इधर भाई। बुलाओ इधर आओ।
This is iftar time.
साइड में डालना।
ले लिया तू सामने
This road leads to Mahim Koliwada, the fishing village.
Hello.
This is the mobile toilet. This is the fishing village. This is the road towards the sea. This is the wedding, the fishing village. The Kohlis lived here. The Kohlis. कैसा क्या भरा है? जय महाराष्ट्र. कैसा क्या बरा है ना? This is Jesus Christ held in captivity. This is a very peaceful fishing village. जय महाराष्ट्र. कैसा क्या बरा है ना? This is the Kohlis. This is Mahim Causeway Marathi School. This is Marathi School. जय महाराष्ट्र. This is Sai Baba. आपके इधर आता था होली शूट करने बहुत साल पहले. बांद्रा बांद्रा बांद्रा. This is the fishing. कैसा क्या बरा है? This is Mahim Koliwada. And I am walking from Bandra to Mahim Dargah. And on the way I pass the seafront and I pass the fishing village. Very peaceful. It's the main road of Mumbai, connecting town to Bandra and other suburbs. This is a fishing village. जय महाराष्ट्र. कसं काय तुम्ही बरं आहे ना? The Kohli. This is the Kohli village. मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की. So And now we'll take the other road, the main road, and first go to Fakhruddin Shah Baba's Dargah, and later on to Makhdum Shah Baba's Dargah. These are coolies, fishermen. The poor, they are hungry but they are feeding. This is bang opposite Nargis Dutt Nagar. Just see this. And this, the politicians, Baba Siddiqui, Mr. Ashish Sherar, Mr. Eber Khan, Mr. Asif Zakaria, they should see this. They should see this. Zahid Khan अच्छा आदमी है. And this is the second time I'm shooting here. I'm walking from Bandra to Mahim Dargah to pray for all of you. And this is a very tragic thing. And Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, Mr. Aditya Thackeray, our ruling lordship should see all this. And this is in Bandra. And this is during Ramzan. And this is during lockdown. I mean, it's tragic. And the animals are hungry, the stray animals. People have pets and then leave them on the streets and on the roads. And this is what happens. The cats, the dogs, every animal is hungry during the lockdown. Nothing has been done. And this is a garbage dump. Just see this. Jai Maharashtra. This is Mahim. I am outside Fakhruddin Shah Baba's Dargah.
वो सही है तेरा
Due to the lockdown, it is shut. But these beautiful people, they are preparing iftar. They are preparing iftar for the rozdars, those that are fasting. And this is a dargah. It's a beautiful dargah. और Kamnanda Banda is a very good friend of mine. He sells jewels, gemstones. This is the dargah. हुजूर सलाम अलैकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि बरकातहू। कहाँ हो?
बाईपास हो गया था मेरा।
अच्छा
हाँ
अल्लाह अकबर।
दिसंबर में। लिए एक like this.
हाँ ले लो ले लो।
So this is the dargah of a very important Sufi saint connected to Makhdoom Shah Baba, and this is known as Fakhruddin Shah Baba. The beauty of this dargah is that when the Urus of Makhdoom Shah Baba, when they go to give salami, the first salami has to be done here. At the first salami is at Fakhruddin Shah Baba, and then you proceed towards. I have been shooting the Sandal, I have been shooting the Dargah Urus, but then last couple of years because of the pandemic and because of my heart problem, I have not been able to come over here. This is my और सब ठीक है ना?
शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है मालिक करो।
I feel very happy to see you here. I just
कैसी तबीयत है?
So I walked all the way from Bandra to Mahim to pay my respect and pray for all of you. तेरे को क्या तकलीफ है? हम कर रहे हो ना, रोजा खोल रहे हैं हम लोग, वो एक अलग है। आदमी क्या है, गाड़ी आके खड़े कर देना, मुझे उससे नहीं करना। Welcome to Swachh Bharat. This is Nargis Dutt Nagar. It needs a healing touch. It says खुले में शौचालय ना करें, शौचालय का उपयोग करें। मीन्स don't urinate or defecate on the road, but go to a toilet. I don't think there's any toilet here at Bandra Reclamation. This is the Nargis Dutt slum. And we are fighting Corona. We are fighting the pandemic. And this is what you see. I see what others don't see. It's really pathetic. This is Nargis Dutt Nagar, Bandra West. And Nargis Dutt Nagar needs a healing touch, needs somebody to lift it up, because for the sake of humanity. And I feel sorry because I used to style clothes of Mr. Sanjay Dutt, I used to style clothes of Mr. Sunil Dutt. So I feel sorry that Priya Dutt's mother is called Nargis Dutt. And this tribute is not in good Nargis Dutt Nagar. It's a very bad tribute. They could have done something to give these people at Nargis Dutt Nagar a better life, make it a role model so that others can come and see this township. This was once upon a time a great vote bank. Now it has been abandoned, it has been neglected. The politicians come here once in 5 years and then they go away, then they will never come back here. This is the irony of our democracy, but we can't do without it. So this is chilli, very famous dish. I've been eating
आज
it.
से है क्या? आज से बेच रहे हैं हम लोग? तो तुम मेरे मुंह ऐसा वो कर रहे इसके लिए बोला। भाव नहीं बढ़े, कितना भाव बढ़ा?
That is aloo.
कभी? अच्छा वो शरबत की बात।
A guy used to sell it in Bandra. And then he met with an accident. And then he was crippled. And
बोला 20 रुपया पहली पीस।
he stopped it completely.
खाली तिल्ली छोड़ के 20 रुपया पहली। ओ बाबा।
दे चना बटाटा तो बटाटा मत चना बटाटा वो भी 20 का ये भी 20 का ऐसे चाहिए
तीखा बना मीडियम।
What chilli वाले? ओ भैया,
खाइए टेस्ट
काम कैसा चल रहा है?
है वैसा बहुत मीडियम साइज है।
तुम रहते कहाँ हो?
जी माही में रहता हूँ।
अच्छा,
जी हाँ।
हमारे
अरे जाओ बाबा।
हमारे उधर बांद्रा में एक चिल्ली वाला था,
जी
जे कॉलोनी में।
जी
उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया
अच्छा
कुछ साल पहले,
जी
तो वो अपाहिज हो गया।
हाँ
तो उससे चिल्ली बेचना बंद कर दिया।
जी जी जी
अभी उसका सही हो गया,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
अभी वो उसका पैर सही हो गया।
जी
लेकिन क्या है, वो सबसे अच्छा चिल्ली बनाता था।
हाँ।
और अच्छी चिल्ली ना डोंगरी पे बहुत मिलती थी वो।
नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे भी अच्छी मिलती है, ऐसी बात नहीं है। हाँ और
So
अच्छी
this
देता है।
is the famous dish called chilli. Don't miss it if you come to Mahim. This is Mahim Khao Gali. I have taken a parcel.